How to fix Crisis Core Final Fantasy VII Reunion crash at launch issue on PC. 1. Verify Crisis Core Final Fantasy VII Reunion files in Steam. Like this. 2. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Add an exception to your antivirus. Like this. 4. Make the game use your dedicated GPU. 4.1 NVIDIA GPU. 4.1.1 Add Crisis Core Reunion into Manage 3D Settings list. 4.1.2 Set High Performance NVIDIA Processor to Preferred Graphics Processor for this program. Like this. 4.2 AMD GPU, add Crisis Core Reunion into Switchable Graphics Application Settings. 5 Run the game as an administrator. Like this. Note, you may use the Browse Local Files option to locate the game's main exe file. 6. Update the XX and Visual C++ redistributables.